A very warm welcome to everyone. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is a teacher. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with excitement. Students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. As we all know that it is impossible to define a teacher, as teachers are not only limited to teaching or guiding a student in academics, but are also helping students to take the right path. They add value to our character and make us ideal citizens of country. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Prayer is one of the beautiful ways to express our devotional feeling. Now I invite Roshna and Roshni to sing prayer song.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रवेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि दूधगुल्फाय गन्धमाताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रवेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Thank you. Your magical voices have made us feel the presence of Almighty. It's a culture to invite people with smile in our face and with cheer in our heart. Now I call upon Shalini to render the welcome address.
Teacher. Teacher is not just a word, it is an emotion and a very noble profession which shapes the character, caliber and the future of a student. A pleasant morning to everyone present here. I am M. Shalini is here to render the welcome address on this auspicious occasion of our Teachers' Day celebration. Firstly, I wish all my dear teachers Happy Teachers' Day. Today, we all have gathered here to welcome and felicitate our guiding spirits. First and foremost, I would like to welcome our respected correspondent sir, Mr. N. Ramachandran, the pillar of our school, and the convivial principal ma'am, Mrs. Seema Ramachandran, who have motivated us by being a living example. I welcome you, sir, and I welcome you, ma'am, to this great occasion. I extend my cheerful welcome in welcoming our academic coordinator, Mrs. Shakila Begum, ma'am. It's my privilege to welcome you, ma'am. Teachers are like magicians who use their magic wand to make our lives better and fruitful. Yes, now it's time to welcome the heroes and heroines of the day, our teaching fraternity. On behalf of our colleagues, I wish all my dear teachers a Happy Teachers' Day and a warm welcome. I extend my delightful welcome in welcoming all the non-teaching staffs to this great occasion. Last but not the least, I welcome all my dear friends to this great occasion. Once again, I welcome you all.
Thank you, Shalini. To this end, the greatest asset of a school is the personality of the teachers. To guess those amazing personalities of our school, let me invite my friends.
Hello Vishali, is this quiz time?
Yes.
So shall we start now?
Yeah, of course.
The
first question is, she is the pillar of our school. She is a creative and an innovative woman. She is an inspiration of all the teachers. She implements new ideas for education. Can you guess who is she?
Is that a principal, ma'am?
Yes, you are right.
It's my turn. She is the center of our school. She balances every work. She needs everything perfect and she takes care of every problem with a smile. Can you guess it?
I think it's a Shakila ma'am.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, I'll start now. We have eminent Nirmala Sitharaman in politics. Likewise, can you guess the resemblance of the same potential in any of our personalities in our school?
Any other clues?
She has pursued the students to score 100% in accountancy. She is a skilled person in our commerce. She has joined us only in the middle, but she has proved that she is expert in her subject.
Is it Vasantha, miss?
Yes, you are right.
Now it's my turn. She is the jack of all trades. She is the Sake mother to all children. She adds beauty to all our programs through her crispy article food. Can you guess?
It's absolutely a Kanangadi miss, am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, I'll start now. She is a techno-savvy. She is jovial in nature, introduces and teaches technologies to us. She is a dedicated teacher. Can you guess who is she?
Is it Gayatri, miss?
Yes, you are right. Now it's your turn.
She is the Bharatiya of a school. She tells us many valuable moral stories. Her speaking sense attracts our eyes. Can you guess it?
I think it's our Abhimala miss.
Yeah, you're right. It's your turn.
I'll ask now. Calculator of our school. She is an administrative in charge. She organizes everything properly, an energetic and a sincere person. Can you guess who is she?
Mangai, ma'am?
Yes, you're right. Now it's your turn.
She is the busy bee, always soft spoken. She does everything with a cheerful smile.
I think it's our Jacinta miss.
Yeah, you're right.
Now it's my turn. Our examination won't be successful without her. She is ready to accept every burden with a smile, a hard-working person. Can you guess who is she?
Definitely Vanilla, ma'am.
Yes, you're right. Now it's your turn.
She teaches the subject with chemicals. She is a jovial person. She understands every student's problem and gives them a perfect solution. Can you
I
guess?
think it's Sandhya miss.
Yeah, you're right.
Now it's my turn. He is Ramanujar of our school. He is so friendly. He attracts everyone through his speaking skills. He is a fine shuttle player. Can you guess who is
Is
he?
it Murli, sir?
Yes, you're right. Now it's your turn.
He is the Newton of our school. He is a person moves in our school always with a smile. He teaches us a strong subject.
I think it's Rubendran sir.
Yeah, you're right.
It's my turn. He is a person who delights us through his singing. He used to sing songs in our school program. He is a hard-working person. He teaches us a new language. Can you guess who is he?
Shivakumar, sir?
Yes, you're right. Now it's your turn.
He can be called as Muhammad Ali of our school. He is the key to make all the students a disciplined one. His participation in school and games is excellent one. Can you guess it?
I think it's our PT sir.
Yeah, you're right. It's your turn.
She spends her time in the midst of knowledgeable books. She is a nice storyteller and gives us many games to play during the club hours. She is a dedicated and hardworking person. Can you guess who is she?
Santan Lakshmi, miss?
Yes, you're right. Now it's your turn.
She is a sweet lady. She is the Vasco da Gama in our school. She teaches us many history lessons. She is always perfect in her work. Can you guess her?
I think it's Vidya miss. Am I right?
You're right. It's your turn now.
She is a kind person. She is the Tamil mother of our school. She gives us many advice to all our work. She is a hardworking person. Can you guess who is she?
T. Lakshmi, ma'am?
Yes, you're right. Now it's your turn.
She is the William Wordsworth of our school. She always has a smile in her face. She does her work perfectly and does not get tension and do everything smoothly. Can you guess it?
I think it's Mamis.
Yeah, right.
Last but not the least, she is a kind teacher. She teaches us a national language. She gives support to all of us. Can you guess who is she?
Me too, ma'am.
Yes, you're right.